There's a fish. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. What's up, outdoorsmen? We're on a new body of water today. I did bring the boat with me, but the trolling motor gave out and it's just so windy that it's about impossible to do it with a paddle. So we're gonna be walking the bank line, trying to find some fish and telling y'all how we do it. Gonna mostly throw some weightless Senkos, maybe a fluke, possibly a swim bait, but it's super windy, overcast conditions, and we're just gonna see what we can get into. Wish us some luck. It's been a while since we've touched a fish, and we'll see y'all on the water. About to cause a huge mess. Oh my gosh, I think I got it. Fish on, fish on. Yes, baby. I will take it. Yes. Easy, bud. Healthy little Larry. On the fluke. All right, says Larry number 1. New body of water. We parked up yonder and been walking this dam. It's kind of the wind-blown bank. Once we get to there, we'll turn around going back. But so far, we got 1 fish on the weightless Senko. Pretty healthy green little bass. Boop, boop, boop. Thank you for playing, buddy. Bye-bye. Water's that way. All right, 1 fish. All right, y'all, it's been a bit of a struggle, but we've got the first fish on the board. Hope y'all can hear me. It's super windy, but that came on a weightless Senko, and we're just been kind of walking down this dam line. It's the wind-blown bank. It's got some grass and it's pretty shallow. But anyhow, we're fishing this bank line, then we're gonna find somewhere else to get into. But so far, that's fish number 1 on the weightless Senko. Oh, about ate it. There's a fish. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. Don't you come off, baby. Oh, don't you come off. Get up in here, yes. I'll take it. Oh, you hit that hard. Yes, baby. Fish number 2. She slung off right at the top. Man, she came out of those lily pads over there. Smacked the white swim jig, y'all. Size is getting a little better. She's a little pale. Been down in the dirt. Got a little bruise on her head. All right, we're gonna get her back in the water. She got her slime coat a little dirty. Thank you for playing, baby. Big old fat fish. Yes. Yes, thank you. All right, y'all, so we just went back to the truck, grabbed 2 different rods, a swim jig rod and a chartreuse crankbait. Truck is up yonder. And then we just caught that other one about midways down the dam. Decided to reset, came over here to fish these little grass lily pads. Bam, first cast in there, had a pretty good, probably £1.5-pounder. Kind of a white bass compared to the first one. The first one was real dark green. But anyhow, we're starting to figure something out. That's fish number 2. New lake, windy conditions, catching some fish, y'all. There's a fish. There's a fish. Get up in here. Yes. Fish number 3, y'all. Fat little bass. All right. Look at that thing. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Another fat little bass hiding out on the dam. The wind has got a whole bunch of bait fish pushed up right here along the bank, y'all. Goodbye. And I'm just watching them. They'll come through here and push the bait up everywhere. And I'm trying to get my lures right in front of that, and it seems to be working. That's fish number 3. All right, y'all, so we caught 3 fish on that main body of water. They were all kind of pushed up on the dam. It had a bunch of bait fish pushed up against the dam, and as I was pulling my lures through there, I could see the fish scattering about. So there was quite a few of them packed in there. Managed to catch 3 of them. Now we're pulling around to the backside of this piece of property. There's supposed to be a feeder creek that leads into the Flint River, and we're gonna go see if we can't catch a few fish over there. And yeah, so this is gonna turn into a bit of an exploration video. We hit the lake, now we're going to fish a creek that feeds into the Flint River, and we're gonna see what happens with that. Wish us luck. We're gonna try to get a total of 5 fish. What's up, everybody? We're back home now. The river was really blown out from all the rain and just not fishable, so we're not gonna see any of that today. We will go and try that again soon. We're also going to try to put the boat back in that lake again real soon. Definitely need the trolling motor to work, and hopefully it won't be as windy. But we still caught fish, landed 3 fish, 2 on a swim jig and 1 on the weightless Cinco. Or no, that was a fluke. But anyhow, y'all let me know what's working for you. It's getting really hot and it's hard to catch fish. So please comment below and let me know what y'all are catching fish on. Remember to leave it better than you found it, and we'll see y'all on the next one.